are out here teaching. Vlogging. For those of you guys who don't know, the three of us are show choir choreographers. So we're teaching right now. At least attempting to.
I'm in show choir as well.
JP really wanted to be in the vlog.
I'm not even in this class, and I'm learning the dances. Remember, D-I-C-T-A-T-O-R.
Space T-A-T-E-R.
Wait, global dominator? I'm a global dominator, but a renaissance man.
This is so... I'm trying!
Maria, put the vlog away!
We're dancing.
Fanboy right here. Literally, fanboy. F-A-N-B-O-R. B-O-Y.
B-O-R, okay.
When you said that you were spent, reception, and now it's time to build from the bottom of the back to the top. Packing my bags and giving the academy a rain check. It's time to begin, isn't it? I get a little bit.
Molly, do you want to be in the vlog?
Yeah.
Rock on, dudes.
What are you doing?
Eating a Nutter Butter.
Oh my god, Maria. Remember Nutter Butter? Ooh. Nutter Butter is our nickname because he has a really nice ass.
Did you just film that?
Yeah.
That's adorable!
Am I in it?
That's it. I'm gonna pee. I'll pee everywhere.
Where are you? I can't see. Hey, that's Gage. It's dictator. Not everyone can be dictator. Tommy's trying on his heelys for the show for the first time.
I don't know how to heely.
Well, you're on carpet too. Hey, you kind of did it. Hey, he got it. So proud.
Just wait till tonight.
We're doing our mic check right now. JP just got his mic tested. Now Julia's getting her mic checked. There she is. We're about to run the show. Hey, you want to meet in the vlog? Say hi. That's Emma and Sophie and Megan. All right, peace out.
We stole Maria's phone off the floor and we wanted to vlog. So they're doing stuff, but we're sitting in the audience. Yay, vlog! If you listen closely, you can hear Ward screaming.
Hello, Maria's vlog. We have found your phone. I'm sorry if you can't hear me because Ward is currently screaming into a microphone. Look at Tommy's booty. Name a better trio. I'll wait.
Thanks for watching the Bridget and Sydney segment of the vlog.
Hey, we're here. We're eating Miss Humphrey's food.
Oh yeah.
This is my BFF Gage.
I thought I was your BFF.
He just rejected me. Tommy, come say hi to the vlog.
Come say hi to the vlog.
Tommy.
I didn't mean that in like
Oh.
I realized that.
Ren doesn't rejected by another guy.
Tommy, come say hi to the vlog. So today we're running Act 1 and 2. I was gonna sneeze. I lost it though. Wait. I lost it. I was gonna sneeze though.
We're vlogging?
It's Maria's vlog.
Oh, hey Maria's vlog. I'm sorry that I'm mean to you sometimes.
I love Maria's vlog. I'm so honored that me and this little nugget get to be on it.
Oh yeah.
So right now, me and Joey aren't needed because we're not there till the end. No, we're not there till the end of Act 2. We are going to be in the town council scene, and well, that at least I am, and then we're going to be in the end. But Maria's on stage right now, so.
We're vlogging.
Do you want to be in the vlog? Come be in the vlog. This is Miss Humphreys. She gave us pita chips and hummus.
Yeah, she's the best.
And her son is so cute. Oh, I just want to say that I love Maria.
I do too.
And she's the best person. I really actually was thinking about recording it, but then you walked over here.
No, there's no way.
No, really. No, like I was literally saying I love Maria, and then you walked over here as I was thinking of saying it.
Really? Yeah.
Yes.
Literally.
Look, we're eating hummus and chips from Miss Humphreys.
I'm gonna steal chips.
And hummus.
Hey guys, it's me, Sydney. Maria's very passed out as it is 12:21 in the morning. and I'm tired. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Gotta hit that like and the subscribe and comment. Is that a thing? I don't know. But yeah, good job. Good night, Maria. Bye.